Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of my Temu order. The guys from the online marketplace Temu sent me some of their products worth about $60 to check out their marketplace and for my honest review. Temu is an American-based online marketplace. It allows China-based vendors to sell and ship directly to US customers without having to rely on warehouses in the US. That's why they can offer lower prices than Amazon or other platforms. For about $60, I received a lot of useful products: electronics, kitchen items, tools, and more. I compared some of the prices with the same items sold on Amazon, and the Temu prices are actually lower. It took about 2 weeks from placing the order until the package arrived. The products are the same ones you can buy on Amazon or other platforms, so I can't complain about the quality of the items I received. Everything works as expected, and I can't complain about the amount of items I received for the value of $60. The packaging was not great, but everything arrived undamaged, so I can't complain about it. So if you are looking for a cheaper alternative to Amazon or other websites, I would recommend trying the online marketplace Temu for your next order. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about Temu, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.